The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Greater Greens Point, moving northwest at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Harris County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.